So hello and welcome to AI Talkers. Today in this video we are going to talk about complete syllabus that we are going to cover for the Power BI, right? So basically we talk about the module wise, right? So in the module 1, okay, so I'm talking about first module, okay, module 1. So basically in module 1 video 1, that would be introductions that we are already covering right now and we have covered, okay. So we already have uploaded one video for the introductions and this is second video for the introduction. So basically the video 1 as per the syllabus is already covered, right? And in video 2 we are going to understand about the Power BI, Power BI desktop install, plus we will understand the interface of the Power BI after we download the Power BI, after we install desktop Power BI. We'll also understand the interface of the Power BI and different tabs it has over there, right? And then on day 3, on day on day 3, so basically on day 3 we will understand data import, like how do we import data from different sources, okay. Like in Power BI we can import data from anywhere, like we have a lot of sources available, sometimes from Excel, sometimes from SQL, and sometimes you want to do web scraping, you can also do that very easily. So basically on day 3 we are going to learn all about how do we import data in Power BI, right? And then on day 4, okay, so basically on day 4 we are going to understand Power Query Editor, right? We are going to understand Power Query Editor. Now what is a Power Query Editor? We need to understand, right? So Power Query Editor, so let's say that whenever you have data in Excel, what do? You clean the data, then you make any reports. But in case of Power Query Editor, which comes embedded with the Power BI, so there you will do data cleaning, okay. Because as long as your data is not cleaned, your reports and your insights will not be good. Like you always understand that garbage in, garbage out. So if your data is of good quality, your reports, your design, your dashboards and your insights would be of quality, and that would be better in decision making, right? But there is a one thing that we always need to understand. Let's say that when we are importing data from Excel, we can already clean data in Excel. Why do we need to clean in Power Query Editor, right? So for that there is actually little bit of difference. So let's say that you have 1000 rows, okay. You have 1000 rows and you cleaned your data in Excel, but now you are adding 100 rows extra to this data. You again have to apply all those process again. You again have to clean, handle missing values. But in case of Power Query Editor, if you have already cleaned 1000 data and you're adding 100 rows plus, okay, you're adding 100 rows extra, so this would automatically be cleaned. Why? Because Power Query Editor, it actually automates the process of cleaning. When you embed your data to this data sets, it will automatically apply all the transformation that was previously applied on this 1000 rows, right? Now let's know that what we are going to cover on day 5, okay. So basically on day 5 again it is a part of Power Query Editor itself, but we are going to clean real world data. We'll take some real world data from anywhere, from Kaggle or anywhere, and then we'll try to clean that and learn functions like what is a trim, what is a proper. So we'll try to understand these things as well, okay. And like there's a lot to cover in this video, but as of now I'm just giving you the overview of the syllabus, that how the things will go on as the day passes, okay. Now let's talk about the module 2, okay. So in module 2, this would be sixth day or six videos where we will understand merge queries, and how it replaces X lookup function in Excel, right? So basically in 6 videos we are going to understand merge query and how it replaces the need of X lookup function that we use more often in Excel. Okay, so now let's talk about seventh day. Let's talk about seventh day. So on seventh day we are going to learn append queries, where we will combine multiple files, right? Multiple files. And then in 8th videos we are going to learn about conditional and custom columns using if logic, conditional and custom columns using if logic, right? And then after this in 9th videos we are going to understand query parameters and reusable query okay. And then in the 10th videos so then in the 10th video we are going to study about data types, errors, and performance. So basically we are going to study about data types, performance and errors. Okay, and then we will finally move towards the module 3. Okay, so in module 3 in 11th videos we are going to learn about star schema, right? And in 12th videos we are going to learn about how do we build the relationship, like building relationship and cardinality. Then in 13 videos we are going to learn about active, inactive, and role playing dimensions, right? And in 14 videos we are going to learn about building a table dataset. This is very important. Building a building a data table, data type, building a data table. And in 15 videos we are going to learn about modeling best practices, modeling best practices, right? Where we will also learn about snowflake versus a star. Okay, and then in 16 videos basically 16 videos come in the module 4 where we will learn about in 16 videos we will learn about DAX intro, where we are going to cover measures, calculated columns, okay. And then thereafter in 17 videos we are going to cover, this is again the part of the DAX, okay. Model 4 we are going to learn sum, average, okay, count, distinct count, okay. In 18 videos we are going to learn about calculate and filter context. And then in 19 videos we are going to learn about time intelligence. This is again very important. Time intelligence, like what is YTD, what is mtd, and what is the growth percent, right? And then in 20th videos we are going to learn about what is variables, okay, what is sum x, what is average x, okay. And then in videos, okay. And after we are done with this, we'll finally move towards the next model, that would be model number that would be module 5, okay, where we are going to learn about visualization and reports, right? So basically this is again a very important part, because whatever operations we have performed, whether it's a DAX, whether it's a building relationship, we all have been doing just to make the reports and visualization. So basically in video 22 we'll understand the core visuals like as core visuals like as what is a bar chart, what is a line chart, and pie chart and cards, okay. And then in video number 23 we are going to understand what is a slicer, what is a filters, and then cross filtering, okay. And in video 24 we are going to understand maps, decomposition, okay, decomposition tree, and KPI visuals. In 25 we are going to learn about dashboard design and storytelling. Dashboard design and storytelling. In 26 we are going to study about what is a bookmarks, what is a drill through tool tips, okay. And we'll finally come to our last model, that is module 6, where we learn about publishing and real world projects, okay. So basically in this modules we are going to first learn about Power BI service, like how to publish in works, like basically in video 27 we are going to learn about Power BI service where we learn about publish and workspaces, like workspaces in Power BI service, okay. And then in videos 28 we learn about how do we do refresh, like scheduled refresh, okay, and gateways, and what is RLS, okay. So now we only have to look at the two videos. In videos number 29 we are going to learn about end to end walkthrough. We are going to have end to end walkthrough. And then in videos 30 we are going to prepare for the interview, like what are the questions the interviewer can ask, right? So basically this would be the complete syllabus. And believe me, if you watch all of these videos you are not going to be unaware of any of the part of the Power BI. So whatever syllabus and whatever videos I'm gonna make in the sequence, you have to follow that. And at the same time I will be assigning you some assignments as well, where I will be providing you data, I will be giving you the requirements, and based on that you have to follow that and you have to make the dashboard. And believe me, you are going to rock in a Power BI. Anyone, whether like whenever you're giving an interview for the Power BI, you will not be left besides in the race. In fact, you will be in top of the race of the interview. So that's all in this video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe your channel and your organization, that is AI Toppers.